Oh, it's a nice motor. Oh, look at the roof as well. Actually, where is it?
Alright, mate?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you watching yourself again?
No! Alright, YouTubes, how are we all doing? Hope you're all well. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little bit different. A couple of things in today's video. I've got a product review to do. So this is my first ever product review on the channel. And also today marks the 1 year anniversary of my channel as well. So today, a year ago on the 8th of October, I put my first video up on my channel, and to go with it today, I've got my first product review to do, which is something different. So yeah, just want to say a massive thanks to everyone that's subscribed and helped my channel grow, and all the people that watch my videos and all the support that everyone's given me and all your lovely comments. I really appreciate it. And yeah, never thought I'd even get this far. Never thought I'd get to a year. Never thought I'd get a product reviewed. Never thought I'd get the amount of subscribers that I've got. I didn't have any expectations of it. I just started filming the jobs that I do, and it's been a massive learning curve for me with all of it, how YouTube works, filming, editing. I didn't have a clue. I just put a GoPro on my head and started filming my paintwork. And yeah, it's been great. I've thoroughly enjoyed it so far, and I'm going to continue with it. So yeah, I'm not a salesman, but I'm just a humble paint sprayer. But today we've got a product review to do. So the product, this company reached out to me and asked me if I'd review their product. It's from a company called One Car Stereo, and this is a wireless Apple CarPlay device. So basically, if your car's got Apple CarPlay but wired, this will turn it into a wireless Apple CarPlay, which is really handy. My car here, my Toyota GR Yaris, has got Apple CarPlay, but it's wired, and it's always annoyed me that I have to plug it into a cable and have the cable in the way for me to then use the Apple CarPlay. But also extra things with this, not only does it make it wireless, it also unlocks other apps that you can use. So you can watch yourself on YouTube if you've got a channel. There's also, you can watch Netflix on it, and apps like that, and Disney Plus and other apps. So it works with iPhones and Android based phones. And yeah, I've been having a little play about with it the last few days, and it works really well. So I'm just going to go over some of the features and show you it working in my car. So this is the device. Plugs into USB, which you'd normally connect your phone to for your Apple CarPlay. Really small and compact, really light. It's got looks like it's got a built-in fan on the back of it, and you get a cable for iPhone, you know, USB-C and normal USB. So we'll connect it up. I have already connected it to my car, so turn my car onto accessory mode. Normally this would probably be plugged in automatically. I'm sure if you didn't want it sort of around your dashboard, you could probably get a longer cable and hide it somewhere else, or even tuck it away somewhere with a longer cable. But this is a cable it comes with. So it's connected. Infotainment system's just starting up, which takes a few seconds anyway. So there we go, it's connected, and it's gone straight to the smart AI box instead of into my Apple CarPlay. So we give that a few seconds to load up. It doesn't take that long. I'd probably say about 30 or 40 seconds. There we go, it's all connected, and it's showing the menu of the device. So first thing you want to do is connect it Bluetooth. Once you've connected your Bluetooth to it, that's the first thing you want to do. You can hit this button here called Speed Play, and if you go to Speed Play, it will take you back to your normal Apple CarPlay menu. So you can use all the apps that you would normally use on Apple CarPlay, and you get an extra one there which says car. So if you click that, it will take you back to the Android menu. So from this menu, you've got like screen mirroring there, and you've also got all the apps So you go to all the apps, you've got all the apps here, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus. Not sure on the Android side of things, because I've got an iPhone, I've never had an Android phone, but obviously there's probably more apps that you can get from the Play Store. You can also put an additional memory card in the device, I think up to 128 gig, obviously to put more apps onto it. So that's it, Bluetooth, and it will work obviously with your phone and and your calls and all that. So if you go into settings mode, if you go to Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi, turn your hotspot on your phone. So go into your settings on your phone. You have to do this with all hotspots anyways to turn it on and off. So turn your hotspot on, then go to Wi-Fi. Takes a few seconds, and then there you'll see your phone. I've already pre-connected mine, so it's already stored. So now it's connected. Now it's connected to the internet through the hotspot on my phone. Go back out of that. On this, whenever you put your finger near your screen, which the touch button works really well, you get this square come up. If you tap on that square, you can go back. You got home. I think you go file. You can put it into whatever page you're on. You can put it into trash, and you can go back to your normal car menu, which will take you out of out of the AI box screen itself. So if you go back home, go into all apps. I haven't signed into Netflix because I haven't got a Netflix account, but I've got a YouTube account, obviously. Not too bad. I've been watching a bit of Oasis as normal.
Shock.
And then yeah, once you've obviously, you need to sign into whatever accounts you've got. You need to do your signing in process and get all that done, and then it's all saved on there. Once you've done all the initial setups of your accounts, Netflix or whatever, regardless of what you're using, once all your usernames and passwords are in there, you can click onto them and then obviously go straight into them. So yeah, there we go. We're on my channel, and yeah, you can watch YouTube and watch films, Netflix. And yeah, this looks like quite a good video. If you haven't checked that video out, check that one out.
Wasn't nothing major.
So yeah, that's basically it. The touch screen works really well. It yeah, it doesn't seem to have really any delay. It's no different to what my touch screen in this vehicle works like normally on the car menus and on the Apple CarPlay menus anyway. It's the same sort of speed. There's no issues with that. Everything works, volume, and yeah, you can turn your Apple CarPlay into wireless Apple CarPlay. And you know, I don't recommend obviously watching YouTube or Netflix while you're driving, but it will play, so passengers could watch on your screen if you wanted them to. That will work, so people could watch YouTube or Netflix, on a long journey, and it works really well. I haven't had any issues with it. It all seems to connect. Once you get all your initial setups done, it's pretty straightforward. Leave that plugged in, turn my car on, it connects to Apple CarPlay like it normally would if I plugged it in wired, and then yeah, and then got your choice of apps that you want to use. And if you don't want to use it, you can go straight back to your normal Apple CarPlay menu, and that all functions and works as normal. So this is the box it comes in, and like I say, you get two cables, small little instruction booklet. It's pretty straightforward to set up. It doesn't take too long at all. So yeah, if you want to purchase one of these, there'll be a link in the description. If you use that link to purchase it, I'll get a small amount of commission from it, which would be really helpful for the channel. And yeah, they've given me this to do what I please with. I could keep it if I want, which I'm not going to. I'm going to give it away. I've never done a giveaway. I've never done a review before. so I'm not 100% sure how it works, but if you comment, if you share this video and comment in the comments, all right YouTubes, and don't forget the S on the end of it, subscribed. So subscribe and share this video and write all right YouTubes, subscribed. In a week's time from this video, I will pick one of the comments, and whoever that is will win this product. So yeah, that's this product. It's a AI Box Elite from One Car Stereo, and yeah, really works well, and a great little bit of kit if your Apple CarPlay is wired and you want it wireless and you want to try and use other apps on your screen. So that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Really appreciate everyone watching, really appreciate everyone subscribing to my channel and getting me to a year. So just want to say a massive thanks to all you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one. Look after yourselves.